So project number 2 is a piece of wood, just a board. Oh no, I'm gonna actually put that board in this tray. This is like a serving tray that you'd put like a little candle in the bottom to keep things warm as it's on the table. And I picked this up at Goodwill for $3, I believe. And I'm going to cut out this board with my jigsaw and make a nice base for the bottom of that. So got it all cut out, giving it a quick sand so it's all nice and smooth, and all the edges will allow it to fit down inside of that little stand. So here is the stand. I really think it's so pretty. I couldn't pass it up when I saw it at Goodwill. And it's got such beautiful pieces of ornate little squiggles and lines and stuff like that on it. And it's kind of hidden. So we're going to try and make those pop a little bit and come out of their shell. But first we're going to take that antiquing glaze again, and I'm going to use that to stain my piece of wood. It actually works very well, just like the antiquing wax. And I would use that, but it's more of a brown color, and this is a brown gray color, and I really, really love that. Right now, I'm just right into it. So all these pieces are going to get this antiquing glaze on it. I just love how it looks right now. Okay, and now we're going to take that minty green that I made up, and I'm going to give this a light coat of paint. We're only going to do one coat. I'm not going to go over it 2 different times. There's just too many cracks and crevices that will get missed, and I'm going to wipe it back anyway and distress it. So there's no sense in doing 2 coats, and I'm really glad I did, because you'll see when it's finished how really cool all the colors, when you wipe it back, really look all together. I did wet distress this and give it a light, very light coat of white or plaster dry brush. So see what you think.